Have you ever tasted something that was so sour or so disgusting that your face just like scrunched up, you stuck your tongue out like you were gonna throw it up? Well, here we go. We're gonna learn how to make that kind of face that looks disgusted. So our eye kind of even closed on one side, our mouth is open, our tongue's hanging out. So, ready? Let's get grossed out. Or we'll look grossed out. We're gonna start with a character that has a round head. So I'm gonna draw one side of my head, then I'm gonna go back and draw the other side of my head. Her ears are a little low because everything about this is just, ugh, it's down. And then her body is this very simple shape because we're not putting much attention on that. So we're gonna start by putting her hair on. So kind of off the middle, I'm going to put this little bump because she's got her hair back in ponytails. So over on this side, there's the other one. Now we have to go under here to draw the actual ponytail. So down, down, and they're kind of sticking out because we just want, ugh, this movement, this emotion. Triangle, triangle has our little bow, and then we put that little puff at the bottom of the ponytail. Now this side, the same thing. This one's going even further out. It just kind of helps with the movement of the feeling. There we go at the bottom. All right, so our hair's on, our body's there. Now, when we're gonna have a big motion with our mouth, we've gotta put our nose up a little bit higher. So see, we have to leave lots of room here for all that mouth action. Now for our eyes, she has one eye open, and we still have our little inside eye. But this eye is closed. So we have an open and a closed. But when your eye is closed, you usually have a couple other lines. That's kind of the eyelid, and that's under the eye. Okay, so ugh, we're still looking at what's going on. Oops, but it's so bad, it may as close our eyes. So look at all this room for the mouth. So down here, we're gonna have this part of the mouth is up, this side is up, this side is up. We're gonna go down, and this side, but I'm gonna stop right here because I have to leave room for my tongue. There. So right here, usually we show a tongue by a bump, and it's kind of like a round heart. But this tongue is gonna stay right here just before the end of her face. We're gonna put this here, close it up there, and there we go. There's her mouth. Okay, look at that. She is so grossed out. She's just bleh, disgusted. Ready? Let's add some color to her. Ready, go.